HyPs Active. The HyPs Active come out in 4 sizes from the HyPs Max to the HyPs Liner. The HyPs Active is exactly the same product as our HyPs. Only difference, there is a layer of silicone beads on the outside of the material that sits on the underwear. The product was made particularly because some customers found our HyPs slides around in their underwear, why we have developed the HyPs Active series. Let's start first with HyPs Max. The biggest HyPs we offer currently, 16 inches long, can be used for incontinence, heavy periods, PCOS, polycystic ovary syndrome, where you have extremely heavy periods. Only difference between the HyPs Max to the HyPs Liner are the absorbency and the sizes of the products, and depending on the size, what is the appropriate use for the product. 8 layers on the HyPs Active Max. First layer is this BSDL, is bamboo stay dry liner that touches the skin. 5 layers of bamboo terry which are hidden inside. The bamboo terry is hidden inside all our HyPs. Then you have the waterproof PUL which is underneath this layer of silicone. Then you have the polyester with the silicone beads. So the material you see outside is not waterproof. There is a hidden layer of waterproof material inside the pad that makes the whole pad waterproof. 5 layers of absorbency hold up to 18 to 20 tampons worth of moisture. Moisture can come in the form of pee, urine, blood, discharge, sweat. HyPs Max can be used overnight as well. HyPs Active Heavy, 13 inches long, can absorb up to 8 to 10 tampons worth of moisture, which is 50 ml. One tampon is 5 ml. 3 layers of absorbency, waterproof PUL, and the silicone dots. HyPs Heavy can also be used for overnight use. This is a heavy pad that can be compared to the Always number 5 pad. HyPs Regular, 10 inches long, can absorb 6 to 8 tampons worth of moisture. 2 layers of bamboo terry inside, extremely thin. All of our HyPs pads are extremely thin. HyPs Active Regular for people who have a normal flow on the first, second, third day, not a heavy flow. HyPs Liner, 8 inches long, has silicone dots on the outside. 2 layers of bamboo terry. HyPs Regular and the HyPs Liner have the same amount of absorbency. What changes is the size of the pad. HyPs Liner can be used for multiple things. Replace any disposable underwear or panty liner. Best part about this, feels just like your underwear. Use it on light days, for spotting, for light incontinence, say folks who, when they sneeze, let out a few drops of urine. A lot of women who go through childbirth will experience some incontinence during their life. All of these pads would be used for menstrual use, continence, sweat management, discharge management, all of it. Depending on your use, we have 4 different sizes from HyPs Active Max to HyPs Active Liner. These are the wings of our pad, can adhere to the gusset of your underwear. 2 snap settings, so depending on how big your gusset is, you can kind of have a snug fit around your gusset. Remove it if there is blood, discharge, urine, sweat, clots on it as well, doesn't matter. Take the big clots, put it in the toilet, either with tissue paper or you can just boink them out. Under cold running water, rinse until the water runs clear. Once this is done, put in a receptacle like this Zipper wet bag. Multiple wet bags available. Every Lil Helper product comes with a system. This is part of the system of Lil Helper products. Our Zipper wet bag that you can store soiled menstrual pads that are washed before laundry day. You can just put it in this bag. Completely waterproof bag. Other bags available as well. Yin Yang dry wet bag. 2 waterproof compartments. Do not contaminate each other. Have fresh pads in the front, soil pads in the back. We also have a combo bag like this that is available to carry around your menstrual products. Same concept as our Yin Yang bag. 2 waterproof compartments, just a smaller bag. Snap loops, it can attach to any bag that you are carrying or anything else. We also have a mesh bag. Once wash day comes, all of our wet bags can be washed in the laundry. HyPs Active silicone beads should not be exposed to high heat. 40 to 50 degrees maximum, air dry if and when possible.